grid. Okay, and this is the one we saved with the grid. I think, was it this one? Yes. Okay, and this is the one we saved without the background. Okay, so you can see this is actually looking nice and good. This is actually a base map and all that. Okay, and I want to show us the rest. This also, okay, I've shown this. This is the next one we did. You can see it, and then this one now. Okay, so guys, it was really fun having this time and sessions with you. I hope these little classes has been able to equip us, has been able to show us a lot of tricks and a lot of techniques that were hidden before. So guys, it's very easy to create maps, it's very easy to make your designs. So I'm really privileged, I'm honored that you have me as your facilitator. So I believe we have come to the compromise of this program, the UPSAN program, Urban and Regional Planning Student Association, CAD Blast 2.0. This is where the bus stop ends. Well, they have a lot of packages for you. They might be coming up with CAD Blast 3.0 very soon, but I still want to pass this announcement. I'm on YouTube, live on YouTube. You can actually follow me on Urban Planning Studio Hub, that's UPSH. I will also have a Facebook page called Urban Planning Studio Hub as well, so you can do follow me there. I'll be dropping some videos about a lot of topics in GIS, remote sensing, and CAD tutorials. I'll also be uploading some some videos on how to use AutoCAD and SketchUp exactly. So it's nice having you guys. I hope to meet you guys some other times. Make sure you're good and safe and enjoy your day. Peace.